past 10 and she don't reach her yet? No, man.
Yeah, man, I'm going to people them work. I have some things to tell you. You see, the woman imply me, treat me ignorant for her.
You look on the hours. She can reach at 10 o'clock and at 5 past 10 and she don't reach her yet. All of my job this, you know. Hi, Mom.
Mommy, I'm so call back here. Alright.
What time you reach your morning time?
10 o'clock.
What time now?
7 past 10, that not late?
Oh, not late. I mean, you sleep last night?
What?
Oh, you passed me and I said good morning. And by the way, you see the pole?
Which pole?
The pole where you go dance pan. Because it look like say a lucky 38 years ago. I know, Goody bar.
Listen, this tall compared to the things that were me wear.
Hold on there. I have something for you. What is?
What is for? You smell me?
No, but it look like you smell yourself. Who are you? Oh, always remember that. Me hire you, so me will fire you. Right. Tell Dogbed say me I go up on the road, me soak. As a matter of fact, me give me a message. Me give me a message myself.
You can't fire me because you never hire me. Dogbed call me Bright.
So you go on browning.
But see ya, you try leave me and remember something to see and see you.
Can't follow Goody, you know. Remember something man stay.
You can say anything when you want to say.
Wow, rough top. You like it rough?
Always.
What happened to you?
Yeah, come on, come on, back.
This is DJ Megatron.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thumbs up.